We're here this evening in beautiful southern New Hampshire on a 15-degree night. There's a lot of snow, and there's another 18 inches coming tomorrow. We're going to check out this camp stove that we got in a recent BattlBox. And so we got the camp stove. We got some denatured alcohol, and we're going to fire this up. See how quickly it boils water.
It's going to be noisy with the cars behind, by the way.
and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to have some hot chocolate.
Yeah, we got the hot chocolate in these bags and our cups. We're going to do it for our family.
Let's see the parts we got.
Oh, geez.
We got a base. We got the fuel holder. We're probably going to light ourselves on fire at some point here.
By what?
It comes with a cleaning rag.
Okay, that's nice.
Obviously a bag to hold everything together. And then we have the rest of the stove as well as a bucket. So we have roughly a 0.9 liter quart. I think a 350 milliliter frying pan
right now.
/ lid, and as well as the stove. So let's go ahead and put the stove base together. If I can line up the holes. Oh man, that was frozen to the table already.
Are you kidding me?
No, it was pretty cool. Okay. So I've never used an alcohol stove before, so
Can we turn on our special light?
hopefully, sure. Actually, we cannot because you are holding the remote.
Oh.
But however,
All right. Well, we have this cool light.
it's the BioLite Base Lantern XL. It's a new product, and we'll show that off in its own video a little bit later on the channel.
It's so good. It's so bright if you put it on full power. But he's opening up the fuel right now.
All right. Here's where I hope we don't light ourselves on fire.
Back it up.
To open, pry off.
I should step away from this.
Seriously, pry off? That doesn't sound like fun.
Hold on. I'm gonna like not go. I'm gonna go over here. Oh jeez, I almost just slipped. Can you move, Sean? Okay, we just opened it with the butter knife we just got. I'm gonna move over to the spot I was.
Yeah.
Good thing we didn't set ourselves on fire.
Yeah, well, the opening it wasn't the setting on fire part.
That is.
I think they said put roughly a 1/4 inch in the bottom of one of these, so we're gonna go with that amount.
It's in there. Can't really see the fuel in here at all, but it's there, I guess. Kind of see it.
All right. It is gonna take forever for this water to boil in this temperature.
Oh yeah, it's snow on top because we left it on this table.
All right.
I'm back away to this is the on fire part. This is very flammable gas.
Well, it's supposed to be.
I don't think it's gonna light on fire in this weather.
Okay.
Is that good?
You guys still got it? So it starts off slow, and then as it heats up, it'll actually get a really good flame going on its own.
Okay. I'm gonna. Oh, that just stopped.
Let it go out.
Yeah, that's what's gonna happen because it's
It's possible just because of the temperature. It's going to take a while.
not cooperating. Right inside. Okay. Okay, I think it's good. Go to the side. There we go. It's getting height.
Yeah, so that'll
Pretty high.
yeah, that'll start coming out the little holes here in a little bit.
Yeah. Okay. What's next?
Well, we got to add water to the pot. 24 ounces.
Okay.
Can you see how the stove is now coming out of those little holes on the side, like a burner on a regular house stove?
I can.
So that's kind of how you see that it's getting going, but it'll get hotter and hotter. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on. Why don't you start the timer on your?
Uh oh, it just turned off.
Yeah. Start the timer on your iPod.
Okay, start it.
Okay.
Right there.
So, under ideal conditions, when the water is not freezing, and the air temperature is not 15 degrees Fahrenheit,
Yeah.
This boils in roughly just a little over 7 minutes.
This for us is probably going to take us 15
Yeah,
minutes.
I'm willing to bet this is going to take closer to 10, if not a little bit more. But we're going to monitor it, and
Great.
then we'll check back in when we get this baby at a rolling boil.
Okay. 3 minutes in, the flame is still doing well. We haven't had to light it back up again. We're gonna stop right now and come back. We're now 4 minutes in. The flame is doing pretty well still. We're gonna get back at you in a couple minutes. We are now like 6 minutes in. Flame is doing still pretty well. We have our cups. My mom's cup right there. We're best mom. My cup, Madison, my name, and my brother's cup, Jonathan. The time is about 8 minutes roughly now. Now we're gonna check inside. So let's see.
How are we doing?
Small bubbles are starting to form, as if you can see, but it's still not ready.
Yeah, we're going to close that back up so the heat doesn't escape. So we are a little bit at 8.5 minutes, coming up on 8.5 minutes. Flame's still going well. It is heating. We could probably have it now because it would make a good cup of hot chocolate. However, we're going to get this thing to a boil and then probably throw some fresh snow into the cups.
Yeah, that was my idea for the ice.
In order to cool it down, in order to be able to drink it quickly.
We have some snow over there on the porch.
We'll be back in another minute or so.
We're 10 minutes and like roughly 30 seconds in. Flame's doing well again. Like, look at that. And let's check on the bubbles.
Top's getting hot.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, we're actually rolling small bubbles, but we're not at a full boil. So we'll probably let this go to 12 minutes and then call it good. It's actually a really great stove. We started with really, really cold water tonight.
My hands are so red right now.
So the water was cold. It's 15 degrees. We're expecting 1.5 feet of snow. So this is like probably the absolute worst we would attempt to use this stove in. But so we'll check back in another minute or so.
Okay, just hit 13.
We're 13.
Minutes.
We're calling the test complete.
Pouring time.
In fact, I think we're pretty good there. We don't have a rolling boil, but it's
Oh, that's steamy, all right.
Yeah, it's definitely good. So this again is 3 cups of water.
You're pouring it, Sean.
Yep. So 24 ounces. That's kind of the plan. Pour it into the cup.
No, like it's dripping.
Oh, I got you. That's probably gonna happen.
My cup and my mom's cup.
All right. So I think that was a pretty successful test. It comes with a neat little. This actually can control the flame as well.
I'll show you that.
By pivoting, you can do like a little simmer flame on it if you want.
Is that
However,
like a mirror? Can you use that? Like
you could
wild?
probably use that as a survival mirror in an emergency if you wanted, maybe. But we're gonna go ahead and snuff this flame out. In fact, it's snuffed out on its own.
Oh.
That's because we are out of fuel. So we added just
Really?
the right
I
amount.
thought it was 'cause of the
No, we
cold
added just the
environment.
right amount of fuel there.
Wow.
So we're gonna take these inside, add some hot chocolate to them, and go warm up.
Yeah,
So,
we'll videotape that too.
all right, thanks guys.
Back inside, I still can't feel my fingers, but now we're pouring the mix.
Okay, we
Still
have
red.
a
Still
lovely
red.
mixture of, we have a choice of Starbucks, Swiss Miss, or Nestle. Everyone in the house has chosen to go with Starbucks.
Yeah, this is our only last one.
Mainly because it already contains marshmallows.
Yeah. So we only have one of these. We still have a bunch of those, like right here, and a bunch of Starbucks. Oh, here's orange. Oh. So pretty powdery.
Yeah, I probably should have.
I see a marshmallow on the side over there.
Were we supposed to,
That.
heads up.
Yeah, I don't know if we're supposed
So-
to do that.
Smart to be making hot chocolate with paint thinner.
Is it smart to be interrupting our YouTube videos?
Yeah. You're on camera.
You're on camera questioning our outdoor prowess. That's
She hates
it.
being on camera.
That's it. It's not really paint thinner. It is denatured alcohol, and it is actually meant for what they call marine stoves, and it actually burns clean. And you could actually use it indoors if you wanted, although
Why are you laughing?
we weren't going to do that. So, wrap up the video, Madison.
Well, bye. Hopefully,
That was a great close.
yeah. Hopefully this tastes good. I don't know if we did it right. I think we should have been on the boil a little bit longer. But I think this is a success. What do you think?
I think it was a really good stove, and I could see us using that this summer when we go tent camping.
Yeah. So, yeah, hopefully this tastes good. Bye-bye.